Shenyang Libido Group was founded in 2000. It covers an area of 30,000 square meters and produces approximately 20,000 tons of steel structures annually. We provide professional design services for steel structure warehouses, steel structure workshops, steel villas. Our products and extensively used in industries such as warehousing, workshops, offices, livestock farming, and others. As a leading supplier in China's steel structure industry, we maintain excellent quality standards. Our metal curtain wall and energy-saving cladding system has passed the 3 major international and authoritative certifications, including the US FM certification and the Europe CE certification.